Hi kids, good morning to all of you. Once again I welcome you all. Today we will see the property of angle bisector of a triangle. To learn the property of angle bisector of a triangle, first we will construct triangle PQR. To construct triangle PQR, it's very simple. First you draw a segment measuring 6 centimeter. You can take any length to draw the side of triangle. Here we have taken 6 centimeter to draw the segment QR. Then to draw segment measuring 6 centimeter, draw line segment. Name this line segment as QR. Now you take a compass and measure the same length 6 centimeter so that easily we can draw the triangle without much effort. Now to draw the triangle, draw two arcs, one from point R and the other arc you draw from point Q, and this point of intersection of arc and join point Q and point R. Connect the point of intersection of these two arcs with point Q and point R. This is how name this point as point P. Now we have got triangle PQR. To bisect angles of triangle PQR, we have to bisect all the three angles, that is angle P, angle Q, angle R. So we begin with angle Q. To bisect angle Q, take a small measurement in your compass. Take small measurement in your compass and draw two arcs, one here and one here. Friends, if you want to bisect angle Q, then you should draw these two arcs on the sides of same angle. Suppose if I want to bisect angle Q, I will draw the arc on first side of angle and second arc on the second side of angle. Now what you do, extend the arc, extend the length of your compass and then draw again two arc, one from this point and one from this point. Now connect this vertex and point of intersection of arc. This is how we are going to connect the vertex Q and point of intersection of arc. Now this line will be my bisector of angle Q. In the same manner we will bisect angle we will bisect angle R. To bisect angle R, once again you take small length in your compass. Now we are going to bisect angle R, so we will keep the pointer on point R and we will draw two arcs, one on this side and one on the second arms of angle R. Now you increase the length and from these two arcs again you draw one arc from this arc and second arc from this point, this way. One arc from here, one arc from here and one arc to draw from here. One arc you draw from here, this way. And then connect point R and this point of intersection. This is how we will connect the point of intersection of arc and the vertex of the angle. Now this is your bisector of angle R. Now thirdly, we will bisect angle P. To bisect angle P, again you take two arcs on two sides of angle P. One arc you will draw here and other arc you will draw on the other side and then increase the length. After that you draw two arcs, one from here down and the other arc you will draw from this point this way. These two arcs intersect at a point. Now connect these two points with the vertex of the triangle. if you see carefully, these are the three lines. They are the bisector of angle PQR, and these bisector intersect at a point. This point is called point of concurrence, and these lines are called concurrent lines. These are perpendicular to the sides of triangle. If you name them as I and this point as A, B and C, this point I is called point of concurrence. So in the property of angle bisector of a triangle, we can see the three lines BR, AQ and CP are called concurrent lines. Point I is called point of concurrence. IP, IR, IQ are called altitudes, and these altitudes are equal in length, and this point of concurrence lies in the interior of triangle ABC. That's all about the property of angle bisector of a triangle. Thank you. If you like the video, subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you so much.